Hi guys, today we are going to look at bone cancer and the natural treatment, okay, and its natural treatment. Uh, this is how it follows. Important instructions, list of decoctions, diet plan with millets, exercise, and what to avoid means what foods to avoid. Okay, coming to the important instructions, one should consume millets in the form of porridge. Okay, uh, in the form of porridge or fermented gruel, okay, for a minimum of 6 weeks, okay. uh, and one has to eat dry roasted sesame laddu made with palm jaggery once in a week, okay. Diabetic patients with HbA1c is less than 8 can eat sesame laddu with palm jaggery, and whoever is having more than 8, they should take sesame in any form, okay, either fried or roasted, okay. And you have to walk well once in a week, that is once in a week you have to walk well. How long you walk is more important than how fast you walk, okay. That means you have to walk for at least 1.5 hour in a session, okay. And do not stop your regular medicine suddenly, reduce and stop your medicines gradually, step by step, and when your health condition is getting better after after following this lifestyle, okay. You should start following this lifestyle along with your regular medicine, and you can reduce and stop medicines gradually, step by step, okay. You can observe that by changing our food and food habit, we can bring back our health to normal, okay. If the cancer spreads to the other parts, take the respective protocol for the one which is severely affected by the cancer, okay. Coming to the decoctions, morning and evening, night jasmine leaves for 1 week. Take 3 to 4 leaves to make a decoction. Paper leaves, take 4 leaves to make decoction. Guava leaves also take 4 leaves to make decoctions. This is decoctions you have to drink on the empty stomach in early in the morning and in the evening. Okay. First week night flowering jasmine leaves. Second week paper leaves. Third week guava leaves. Okay. After third week you have to go back to again first week. You have to repeat the sequence. Okay. Till you get recovered. Okay. If you do not find any one of the above, you can still continue with the remaining. Okay, let's say you do not get night flowering jasmine, then use only paper leaves and guava leaves alternatively. Okay, week after week. Okay. uh, Another important thing is once you drink a concoction or decoction, wait for 45 minutes to 1 hour, okay, to have your next meal, right. In the afternoon, fenugreek leaves, mint leaves, and curry leaves. Okay, this is the plan for first week fenugreek, second week mint, third week curry leaves. Okay, again you have to maintain 45 minutes gap after the decoction. Okay, to have your next meal. Coming to the diet with millets, little millet for 2 days. Okay, if you're having 3 meals per day, have eat all the 3 meals with little millet only. Okay, if you're having only 2 meals per day, have those 2 meals with little millet only. Okay, that means you shouldn't consume rice or any wheat wheat product. Okay, wheat based diet. And you can have curries as well as curd also if you want, okay, no problem. Brown top millet for 2 days, kodo millet for 2 days, barnyard for 1 day, foxtail for 1 day, okay. uh, this is the plan, okay. Eat these millets alternately for this 8-day schedule and repeat the sequence till you get recovered from the disease, okay. You shouldn't consume rice, bread or wheat products till the recovery. Use only wood pressed oils or bull driven oils for cooking purposes, okay. How to cook millets? Either cook it like rice or make millet porridge, okay. Cooking like rice, add 3 glasses of water for 1 glass of millet, soak it for 8 hours, cook it on a open top vessel, okay. Millet porridge is very important. You have to take millets in the porridge form for the first 6 weeks, okay. Use either granulated millets or whole millets. Add 6 to 8 glasses of water for 1 glass of millet. You can also add up to 10 glasses of water for 1 glass of millet if you want to make it more watery, Okay, soak it for 8 hours. Cook it on a open top vessel. Once it is cooked, let it become cooled by opening the lid. Tie the top using a cotton cloth. Okay, once it is cooled down, and keep it aside for 8 to 10 hours, and then you can have it, right? If it is summer, you can only keep it for 6 to 7 hours. That much time is sufficient for it to get fermented. Coming to the most important thing, exercise. Walk for 1 hour minimum a day. Okay, and you can increase your walking time slowly, day by day, right? Coming to the foods to avoid, all milk and dairy products you have to avoid except curd. Dairy curd also you shouldn't consume. Okay, homemade curd you can consume, or rice and wheat products, refined oils, sugar and jaggery also you have to avoid. There are alternatives for sugar and jaggery. You can have palm jaggery, or dates, or 100% pure honey. Okay, right? Even in the decoction, so if you cannot take them as it is, you can add palm jaggery in it. Okay, and wheat powder, refined wheat powder you have to avoid. You have to avoid tea, coffee, all bakery products. So polished millets or refined millets also you have to avoid. Okay, so what does that mean? You have to take whole grains, whole millets, right? Non-vegetarian food, cool drinks, pizzas, burgers, pastas, noodles, all canned foods, all ready-made foods, and all ready-to-eat foods you have to avoid. Now you are going to look at how to make a decoction or concoction using any one of the leaves mentioned above. Okay. Hi guys. You have to take 3 to 4 leaves. 3 leaves of this size is enough to make concoction. Okay. Uh, the middle ones are better. Okay, the tender ones are better actually. If you take new leaves, that is better to make this kashayam. Okay, uh, simultaneously I am boiling the water. Okay, when the water is slightly boiled, at that time uh, you have to place these leaves in the boiling water. Okay, and then you have to boil it again for 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, yeah, see guys, this much is sufficient. Okay, now we are placing the leaves. Okay, actually you can take only 3 leaves. 3 leaves is sufficient. Okay, and you have to close it, close the vessel. Okay, and sorry boil in a medium flame only. Okay, low to medium flame for about 3 to 4 minutes, and then I will tell you the rest of the procedure is very simple. What you need to do is you need to keep this lid closed for about 5 minutes. Okay, after the boiling also, and then you have to drink it sip by sip. Okay, when it is slightly warm. Okay, at the time you have to sip it spoon by spoon. Okay, and the water quantity is around 200 to 300 ml. Okay, I took 250 ml. Your wish, 200 to 300 ml is fine. Okay, that's it guys. Yeah, this is after boiling. Okay, I kept it aside for 5 minutes. Okay, that you have to do compulsorily, and I will show you the color also, the color of the water. Okay, when it is slightly boiled for 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, now it is almost 5 minutes. Okay, now I'm taking this away. Okay, the lid away. Now you can see the color of the water. Let me remove the leaves also. Okay, see when there is small particles of the leaves, then you need to filter it using a tea filter, a filter similar to a tea filter. Okay, otherwise no problem. These leaves are of no use now. Okay, you can see the leaves clearly. Now what you need to do, you can drink now only. Okay, by taking a spoon, sipping it slowly. Okay, pour it in a glass and sip it slowly. Okay, that's it guys. This is how you have to make any kashayam. Okay, thank you. Yeah, I forgot to tell you one thing. You need to wash these leaves by using running water only. Okay, with water only. Okay, before placing it in the boiled water. And one more thing also, if you cannot drink it just like that, okay, you can add some palm sugar or palm jaggery. Palm jaggery is best. Okay, that's it guys. Thank you. Are you tired of dental problems? Then listen to this. Stop brushing your teeth using plastic brush and chemical paste. Use nature's gifted neem stick for brushing your teeth and stay healthy.